Hey everybody, it's Abby from Cricut. Thanks so much for joining us. We're going to learn how to attach an image to your mug design setup project when you're using the Cricut mug press and infusible ink transfer sheets to make a DIY personalized mug. First thing you'll notice on the home screen of Design Space is that we've got lots of great Cricut mug press projects. There are two that will help you set up your project from start to finish. The one titled Mug Design Setup is created for infusible ink transfer sheets. You'll use the drop down under Finish Size to select the type of edge you want and the size of mug, and then you'll click Customize to pull that into your canvas. The edges of the blue box here represent design barriers. They show you where the heat plate will actually end, so you don't want to put anything outside of that. When you're picking images, avoid things that are very thin and small and scripty. They don't cut as well using infusible ink transfer sheets. That would be a better option for when you're making with pens. I chose this heart here because it's big and it's blocky, and I know that it'll cut really well on my infusible ink transfer sheet, similar to how you might pick an image for vinyl or for iron-on. So now I'm attaching my mug to my heart to my mug, and I'm aligning it using these red guides up top. Then I'll duplicate my heart and I'll put one on the other side. So with this design here, I'll have a heart on either side of the handle on my finished mug. Once you've got your images and your text all aligned on your mug the way that you'd like it, you'll select all, doing Control A or by clicking and dragging as you see here, and you'll hit Attach in the bottom right. Then before you go to cut, you'll hide this layer of the red mugs by clicking the little eyeball. Now you're ready to cut, and don't forget to mirror.